Just start doing one thing and you will see a miracle start happening in your life. Dear visitors, I will share an amazing topic with you today. I am telling you today to something that is very powerful. We are always competing in the world and constantly thinking about rising above the current situation. We are always eager to improve. Various problems are arising in your life due to this reason. Health problems are created. 2 or 3 times every year we are facing challenge physically and mentally. Even more get sick and contract various seasonal flus. None of us in the world are healthy and no one can say that I have no physical and mental problems at all. Remember that people who are physically fit are also facing various mental problems. Maybe family quarrels with children or not happy in married life. Everyone has problems, maybe small or big, but problems will exist. If you see someone who is very happy, believe me, from headaches, colds, fevers, coughs, and sinus problems, you can't tell from the outside what kind of problems they have inside. Allah has designed the world in such a way that you will not find 100% happiness in this world. You may think that doing things this way will make you feel healthy. Then you take it and even you feel healthy. But still, the disease is not completely eradicated from the human body. Dear viewers, no matter how wealthy people are, various crises come in people's lives. Even those who own thousands of crores of money lose their wealth due to various reasons and become mentally depressed. Even though the bank has crores of money, a loss of 1,000 crores hurts him a lot. Due to the crisis in various workplaces, due to the increase in the prices of daily necessities, their mental turmoil is not less in any part. Dear viewers, if you look around and see that everyone is facing different problems and facing different challenges, you have to face them and keep your faith or iman. Don't think you're the first, but no. Everyone is facing various problems. The struggles of those who seem so rich and princely are much greater than yours. But always remember one thing, that never think that Allah Ta'ala is abandoning you. You just have to continue striving in the way of Allah along with the struggle of wealth. Remember, in the path of Allah, you have to struggle to survive. Struggle is necessary to survive the needs of the world. Similarly, the hereafter requires some struggle. Remember that worldly wealth keeps us physically and mentally strong in this world. Allah Ta'ala creates complications and various problems in our life so that we face all these challenges so that we can turn to Him and develop ourselves. Sometimes we have to face very negative situations in our life. Sometimes it helps us become better Muslims. Allah brings us closer to Him. What does this result in? As a result, our heart and soul are calm. Believers can see that there is some good purpose behind it. The misguided are led astray by it. With the same incident, Allah brings 2 changes in the lives of both. Some spend their lives on the path of destruction, while others become a perfect guide to the path of Allah. Remember, every challenge, every struggle, every crisis in life is a test of Allah's patience. And through the trials of this world, there is welfare in both worlds and the hereafter. Those who lose their faith because of these various problems in the world, if they think that they have sunk to the bottom of the abyss of degradation or are exhausted, they have nothing to do, everything is over. But no, dear brother, when it will end will be determined by Allah Ta'ala. You have your chance until the Mala'ikal mouth appears. I said I would discuss a very powerful topic with you today. What could it be? Think for yourselves. Dear viewers, we are all Muslims. Isn't that so? So let's talk about that powerful topic today, and that is daily 5-time prayer. You observe these 5 daily prayers in your life. Perform the obligatory 5 daily prayers at the right time. Never give up on Salat and see what miracles happen to you. This is my miraculous message. Salat is an important act of submission and obedience to Allah. Salat is mainly about praising Allah and asking for help for ourselves. Salat is an obligatory act of worship, ordered to be performed only by recitation from the Quran. As Allah has commanded in the Quran, Al-Quran, Surah Taha, Inani ana Allah la ilaha illa ana faybudni waqim al-salat li dhikri. 2014. Indeed, I am Allah. There is no deity except me. So worship me and establish prayer for my remembrance. And if you can get close to Allah, what do you need? If you pray 5 times regularly, you will never go astray. Do you know that this is the ultimate means of success? Remember to pray against the mind with double enthusiasm and motivation every time laziness sets in during prayer. Because that part of your heart is causing laziness to pray. Because if you can weaken that part, you will advance both spiritually and mentally. In this way, you will be able to benefit from two aspects in both worlds. Hereafter and in this world, this habit will not be achieved in a day, day after day, week after week, month after month. If you are sick, pray sitting, pray lying down, but do not leave the prayer. I guarantee you, this habit will change your life. Problems in your life should gradually decrease. I am not saying that all problems in your life will be solved instantly, but your problems will reduce a lot. One day you will admit it yourself. I used to think praying was a hassle. Today it has changed my life. Subhanallah. Sufficient is he who trusts in Allah. Surah At-Talaq, verse 3. Allahu Akbar. In our life, Allah Ta'ala makes good judgments for us. He is our guide. So obey Allah's orders and prohibitions and obey Him. Inshallah, Allah will change your life.